I finally got tired of looking at rust, so I hit this with some white paint. Nothing fancy, just some Ace Hardware white rust resistant paint. Sure looks better than it did. The header here on 0723 broke right here during the 275, so I re-welded it, cleaned it up, and I added 3 of these. You can see 2 there, but little strips just to go over. Maybe that'll help. We'll see. This is made out of a picnic table, the bench, and this went on around to the frame. It's pretty thin though. So I've been up a new one out of roll bar tubing, welded it solid, and added a temp cinder right up at the top. That way I can pull that out and either fill it or maybe just bleed the air, because our radiator cap is lower than what this is. There's supposed to be footage here of me putting the white powder on with my Eastwood powder coat gun, and I lost it. I don't know where it went, or I didn't get it to start with. But anyway, just imagine me like powder coating that tube with my Eastwood gun. There's affiliate link to Eastwood and the gun I use, and one even better down there. But just have a good imagination here. Uh-oh. Wonder when that happened. That's not cool. Anyway, it's gonna have to be okay. That sucks though. Glad it didn't happen with any of our customer stuff. That Infinity, by the way, I blurred the names because I think it's a gift, but that belongs to Lisa Thornton. Ordered that, and if you don't know who she is, you might know her son Dylan Thornton, who did the unthinkable and won the 2024 IMCA Super Nationals in the late models, the modifieds, and the stock cars, I believe. I know it was 3 divisions, but anyway, that's pretty cool. Anyway, here it is, no leaks. I'm concerned that the temperature sensor might be sticking up a little too high because the hood runs right here on the fan shroud. But if that's the case, we will shim this pin up right here, raise the hood up a little bit, and we'll be all right. The other thing, to figure out how to get this belt tracking right, it's a little bit to the front of the alternator pulley, and it's shredding the belt. That's just a matter of aligning the tensioner just right, but we'll deal with that on another day. If you got questions, or your radiator tube ever fell to the bottom of your powder coat oven, let me know in the comments.